Welcome to Best Choice. The best Greenworks 60V edger is probably one of the most sought-after tools for homeowners looking to achieve that perfectly manicured lawn, and today we're diving deep into what makes this particular model stand out from the competition. If you're tired of messy edges and want to elevate your yard's curb appeal with minimal effort, then stick around as we explore its features, performance, and whether it's the right investment for your landscaping needs. Number 5. WORX WG163 Cordless String Trimmer and Lawn Edger. Effortlessly switch between trimming your lawn and edging your walkways. This versatile tool transforms in seconds to meet all your yard care needs. Never get caught with a broken line again. Our innovative command feed system provides instant line feeding with just the push of a button, and we offer free spools for life. Reach every corner of your yard with ease. The head tilts 90 degrees, allowing you to tackle sloped terrain and those hard-to-reach areas with precision. Achieve perfectly straight lines and clean cuts every time. The integrated rubberized wheels provide support and guidance for a professional finish. Trim with confidence around your delicate plants and decorations. The adjustable spacer guard prevents accidental damage to your landscape features. Experience efficient yard work with its powerful motor and lightweight design. It weighs only 5.5 pounds, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. Get started right away with two included 20V Power Share Max lithium batteries. These powerful, lightweight batteries are compatible with all other WORX Power Share tools. What we like. This tool easily converts between trimming and edging in seconds. Its innovative command feed spool system provides instant line feeding, and the head tilts 90 degrees for sloped terrain. If you need a versatile tool that can handle various yard tasks and reach difficult spots, this is a great choice. What people say. The Greenworks 60V edger is a powerful tool that makes edging a breeze. It has a long-lasting battery that allows you to complete your entire yard on a single charge. The adjustable cutting depth and the ability to convert from an edger to a trimmer make it a versatile tool. Number 4. WORX WG896 Electric Lawn Edger and Trencher. Experience professional-grade power for your lawn care needs. Its robust motor spins the blade at high speeds, delivering clean, precise lines and edges every time. Adapt to any task with 3 distinct depth settings. Easily adjust the cutting depth to achieve the perfect edge, whether it's a shallow trim or a deeper trench. Achieve perfectly straight lines with the integrated cutting line guide. This feature ensures accuracy, making your edging projects look exceptionally neat and professional. Designed for comfort and ease of use, it features an adjustable shaft and an ergonomic D-grip handle. This allows users of any height to find their ideal working position. Engineered with advanced technology and modern efficiency, this tool is built to last. Create a cost-effective collection of reliable tools for all your DIY projects. This corded electric tool offers consistent power without the need for batteries. Simply connect it to an extension cord and get to work on your lawn. What we like. With a robust 12-amp motor, this edger delivers professional-looking lines with its fast-spinning blade. It offers 3 depth adjustments and a cutting line indicator for precision. If you're looking for a corded option that provides consistent power and clean, defined edges for a manicured look, this is the one. What people say. The Greenworks 60V edger is a powerful tool that makes edging a breeze. It has a long-lasting battery that allows you to complete your entire yard on a single charge. The edger is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. Number 3. Greenworks 40V Cordless Yard Tool Combo Kit. Tackle overgrown edges along driveways and walkways with this powerful system. It clears them in half the time, instantly boosting your home's curb appeal. Slice through tough weeds choking fences and garden borders with the commercial-grade trimmer. It makes clearing overgrown areas effortless. Banish wet leaves and debris from concrete surfaces with this powerful blower. Its cruise control maintains perfect power for clearing gutters and driveways. This 40V battery fuels an entire ecosystem of tools, from trimming hedges to sawing wood. Swap between over 8 tools seamlessly for any yard task. Enjoy comfortable yard work with this lightweight, balanced design. It cleans edges and corners for hours, and is significantly lighter than gas alternatives. Tackle early morning cleanup without disturbing neighbors thanks to its quiet operation. It's ideal for maintaining pristine outdoor areas any time of day. Transform your yard into a magazine-worthy landscape without gas costs. Take advantage of savings and free maintenance guides to keep your property looking its best. What we like. This combo kit offers a 40V trimmer and a powerful leaf blower, designed for efficient yard cleanup. Its lightweight, balanced design makes it comfortable to use, and the universal 40V battery system fuels multiple tools. If you want a lightweight, versatile system to tackle trimming, blowing, and other yard tasks with a single battery platform, consider this option. What people say. The Greenworks 60V edger has a powerful motor that makes edging a breeze. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, even around tight corners. The battery life is impressive, lasting for multiple edging sessions on a single charge. Number 2. Greenworks 80V21 Brushless Cordless Lawn Mower. Introducing the Greenworks 80V21 Brushless Cordless Lawn Mower. Experience powerful, gas-like performance with zero emissions. Enjoy up to 60 minutes of runtime on a single charge with two included 2.0 Ah batteries. This means you can tackle your entire lawn without interruption. Our TRUBRUSHLESS motor technology delivers twice the torque for enhanced power and longer runtimes. It also operates quietly and is built to last. Achieve the perfect cut every time with a single lever, 5-position height adjustment. Easily switch between mulching, bagging, or side discharge to suit your lawn's needs. Say goodbye to the hassle of gas and oil. This mower is virtually maintenance-free, offering a clean start with the push of a button and quiet operation. Get back to mowing quickly with the included 30-minute rapid charger. Spend less time waiting and more time enjoying your beautifully manicured lawn. What we like. This 80V push mower provides gas-like performance with the convenience of cordless operation. It features a powerful brushless motor for enhanced torque and runtime, along with a 5-position height adjustment for versatile cutting. If you're seeking a powerful, low-maintenance mower for your lawn that offers excellent performance without the hassle of gas and oil, this is an ideal choice. What people say. This edger has a powerful motor and cuts through thick grass with ease. The adjustable cutting depth allows for precise edging, and the battery life is impressive. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, making yard work less strenuous. Number 1. Greenworks 80V21 Brushless Self-Propelled Lawn Mower. Experience the power and convenience of our 80V cordless lawn mower. It offers the performance you need for a beautifully manicured lawn, with the freedom of no cords. This mower features a robust 21-inch steel deck, designed to tackle large grassy areas efficiently. Its brushless motor ensures quiet operation and lasting durability. Navigate your lawn with ease thanks to its rear-wheel drive and variable speed control. This provides excellent traction and effortless maneuverability. Our innovative Smart Cut technology intelligently senses grass and adjusts power automatically. This ensures a consistently perfect cut every time. Achieve the ideal cut for any lawn condition with a simple, single-lever height adjustment. Choose from 7 different positions to suit your needs. This versatile mower offers 3 cutting options: mulch, bag your clippings, or side discharge them. Adapt to your lawn's needs with ease. Enjoy a virtually maintenance-free experience with no gas, oil, or emissions. It starts with the push of a button and offers quiet, gas-like performance while storing vertically to save space. What we like. This 80V self-propelled mower makes tackling large yards effortless with its variable speed control and rear-wheel drive. It boasts a durable steel deck, a brushless motor, and innovative Smart Cut technology. If you have a larger property and want a self-propelled mower that offers superior maneuverability, power, and convenient vertical storage, this is the perfect fit. What people say. The Greenworks 60V edger is a powerful tool that makes edging a breeze. It has a long-lasting battery and is easy to maneuver. I was impressed with the cutting power of this edger. It easily tackled overgrown grass and weeds, leaving a clean, crisp edge. The adjustable cutting depth is a great feature, allowing you to customize the edge to your liking. It's also lightweight and comfortable to hold, even for extended use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.